Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make AI text undetectable. Alright, so first thing first, we head into Chrome or whatever browser you use, and then we go to chatgpt.com. So we're going to be using ChatGPT. So I already have my prompts right here. Make brief article about planetary colonization. Right, as we can see, this is a long paragraph, so we're going to tell ChatGPT to write it in a short paragraph. Alright, so this is what we're going to use. So I'm going to copy this. So what you want to do next is open a new tab and type in AI Detector Pro. Okay, there we go. So then we click on get started free. So you're going to want to sign in or register for a new account. So I'm going to do that quick. Alright, so once you sign up and create an account, you should be on this page right here. So the next thing you want to do is go to reports. We are going to paste the text we copied from ChatGPT right here. Alright, and then we're going to analyze. Alright, as you can see, it says probability of AI 98/100. Alright, so what you want to do is, once you have this, so you're going to click on erase AI. Alright, as you can see, AI detected. So if you want to make it more human, we're going to click on more human right here, and then click on Humanize. Alright, so as you can see, it says this function is only available on paid plans. And then if you don't want to pay for this plan, what you can do is open a new tab. Then you want to go to step writer.ai. So now we're going to copy the text from here. Okay, I'm going to paste it down here. So you want to make sure you click it to more human, then click on Humanize. Alright, so since this is your first time using it, you're gonna sign in with the Google account, or you can create an account quickly. Alright, so we're gonna paste the text again. Paste. Alright, so right here we have your new undetectable content. So we have 5 options to select from. So I'm just gonna go with the first option, and then we can see what we have. Okay, so we're gonna go back to this and paste it out. Click on rescan document for AI. As you can see, human detected looks great. So probability of AI 2%. So this is the easiest and simplest way to make your AI text undetectable. Okay, so if you gained something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.